What is up, cool cats? Pump.fun is making millionaires every single day. Now, how do you ensure you're gonna get a piece of the action? It's simple, really. Make your own coin.
This is how to create your own meme coin for $2 and make millions with it. First, download Phantom Wallet and create a new account. Then go to PumpFun and connect your wallet. Then click on Start a New Coin and fill in all the details and click Create Coin and buy in with the amount you want. Your coin will launch on PumpFun and everyone will be able to buy and sell. If your coin reaches a $55,000 market cap, it will launch on Radiant and will be available to buy on the whole Solana network and could go to millions like these coins, making you a millionaire overnight from $2.
Imagine this, you and your girl in the Maldives, enjoying a weekend knowing you made $100 million overnight. It sounds like a dream, but people are doing this almost every day. Now, if you want to do this yourself, you need to do one thing. Learn the art of the rug pull. The rug pull is not a sophisticated scheme. It is as simple as telling all your friends, hey, I got a very lucrative opportunity. All you gotta do is hand me $100 bucks.
And it's gone.
You do this with enough people, do it online, panhandle in the streets, you're guaranteed to make yourself a little chunk of change. All you gotta do really is somehow raise $50,000 of capital on pump.fun, and then you're literally put onto a crypto exchange with your coin. But imagine that. It takes off. And now you are so unbelievably rich because you decided to do a idiotic maneuver. Now, is this going to be the case for everybody? No. So many people believe that their coin is the magic coin that is going to be the one in a million that's going to skyrocket and make it. Now, I understand you miss 100% of the shots you don't take, but this one literally can take you to jail, like for a long time. I am not gonna claim to be a crypto bro, but you can call bullshit when you see it. If you're a douchebag, invest into meme coins, because I think the world would be a lot better if more douchebags had less money.